Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be counting down the top 5 best project management software that is available for 2020, and I'll highlight the best parts of each one. All the links to sign up for them will be in the description below, so make sure to check those out as well. Anyways, let's get right into the countdown. At number 5, we have Pro Workflow, which is the best project management software for overall use. The reason it makes my top 5 list is because of its great reputation and customizability, as well as its great organization features. If you're interested in a software that is super easy to start using and has perfectly functioning features that has a long-lasting reputation, this may be a great choice for you. The first feature of Pro Workflow that I'd like to highlight is their project and task archive pages. These advanced search features are super helpful for searching for any missing tasks or old tasks that may have been canceled or expired. I once had a coworker who would always mark tasks as complete, but then they would disappear from my dashboard. But with Pro Workflow's awesome archive feature, I was able to narrow it down and see that it was complete and submitted. If you have any issues keeping track of work projects, Pro Workflow would definitely be for you. The last feature I'd like to showcase for Pro Workflow is their drag and drop calendar page. I think this feature is super unique because you can easily slide in any events or tasks onto your personalized calendar, and the way they lay out your schedule is very easy to manage. Different tasks from the left sidebar can be dragged onto the calendar, and you can adjust the time that a certain task will take place and how long it will be. It's really helpful for keeping track of time and making sure you don't overbook yourself with overlapping tasks. It even gives you a total hours counter in the top right, so you know exactly how much work you're doing in a given week. Anyways, those are my personal favorite features of Pro Workflow, and if you are looking for an overall use project management software, this is definitely a great candidate. Now let's get right into number 4. At number 4, we have Zoho, the best customer relationship management software that I have ever seen. They do a phenomenal job with helping you manage your contacts, so if you're looking to organize your leads and create profiles with ease, Zoho could be a perfect fit for you. The first tab I want to showcase on Zoho is their leads page. As I said, Zoho is the absolute best customer relationship management software, mainly due to their versatile contact creating interface. The leads page can be used to add, manage, and remove any lead contacts that you're looking to organize, and in the upper right you can easily import large lists of contacts by uploading the entire contact file list, and Zoho will automatically create profiles for each person. This feature is awesome because I once had to organize over 100 different potential customers for a project once, and I was able to organize everything in Zoho in about 3 minutes. If you have a huge amount of contacts or leads to organize, Zoho is definitely the choice for you. Zoho is also great at managing your analytics for your company or business. The Analytics tab is extremely helpful for viewing revenue, leads, and overall analytics of your business. You can customize this page completely and remove any widgets that you don't like. On the left side, there are some filters that you can use to quickly navigate to the analytics that you're trying to find. Overall, Zoho is the best choice for anyone who might be looking for a project management software that operates well with customer relationships, as well as anyone who's looking for a tool to organize their giant list of contacts. Anyways, let's get right into number 3. At number 3, we have Backlog, which is the best project management software for collaborating with large groups of people. Backlog does a great job of letting other collaborators personalize their workspace without interfering with any of their team's projects or tasks. If you're looking to collaborate with multiple companies or groups of people, this would definitely be the best option for you. The first feature I'd like to showcase is Backlog's board page. It really helps simplify any ongoing tasks, and personally I use it to feel less overwhelmed when there's a lot of active issues. As you can see, there are 4 different categories: open, in progress, resolved, and closed. The best part about my board is that it can look completely different for my coworkers. Each person working on the project can customize their board to their needs, which helps personalize the working environment. If it's important for your company to have individualized workspaces, I would highly recommend this feature. Another awesome feature that Backlog added is the wiki page. Essentially, it's like a Q&A page for your collaborators that you can fully customize. It's very versatile, and you can change the titles, text, and even make shortcuts to certain parts of the wiki. If you're planning to work with a lot of people, the wiki page can serve as a huge guidebook for everyone to follow and work in unison. Backlog is definitely the best project management software for those of you who are looking to collaborate, and they are also constantly updating their interface with features such as the board page to make organizing even easier with them. Anyways, let's get right back into our countdown. At number 2, we have Team Gantt, the absolute best calendar management software of 2020. Although their other features, such as creating tasks and managing projects, are on par with the very top, their calendar and scheduling software is simply the best out there. Here is the main project page, which is where you can view and edit any tasks with ease. Although it looks daunting at first, it can be very easy to start customizing and organizing any task that you want to place in your schedule. On the left side of the screen, I have a list of groups and subsequent tasks that are named, and on the right side you can see the corresponding starting dates and deadlines of those events. You can easily edit the name, event length, and deadline by simply clicking on any of the text or by clicking on the blue lines. One of my favorite parts about Team Gantt is how it gives you a broad dashboard here, but also allows you to hone in and edit each part. The next tab I want to talk about is the main calendar tab. It's very helpful with staying organized because each of your peers can choose exactly how they view their personalized calendar. For instance, I like to have my calendar show the full month's worth of tasks and projects, but some of my coworkers prefer to view the weekly calendar. You can also toggle which tasks are being shown on your calendar by clicking on the upper right filter button and choosing which people's groups or which people's projects you wish to see. Overall, Team Gantt's scheduling software is their biggest asset, and I highly recommend anyone who might be struggling with organizing their calendar to consider trying it out. Anyways, let's get right into our last software on the list. Finally, at number 1 we have Reich, which in my opinion is the best project management software to this day. It's perfect for anyone looking to organize their information online, but it's especially suited for beginners who are starting new companies and businesses. Reich helps you fully customize every aspect of your online workspace, and if you're looking for an easy-to-follow, sleek-looking software, Reich would be a perfect fit for you. The first page I want to mention is the dashboard, which is absolutely flawless. It's incredibly easy to add and remove different widgets, and you can even edit each one shown by simply clicking on each header and changing the name. As you can see, I have 3 different widgets on my dashboard: in progress, completed, and on hold. You can even add up to 25 different widgets to your dashboard to optimize your workspace. Everything about Reich's interface is so tidy and organized that I honestly prefer using Reich over an actual desk space in real life. The other page I'd like to showcase is the calendar page, which is neatly set up for any of your needs. By simply dragging tasks and events with your mouse, you can easily edit starting dates and due dates as well as their priority. Additionally, you can filter out which events you're viewing, such as your personal events and your team events. Anyways, definitely give Reich a try if you're looking for a beginner project management software that's super easy to get started with. And there you have it, my personal top 5 best project management software for 2020. These are just my personal opinions on all the websites I talked about, but each person has their own unique taste, so I encourage you to all try them out for yourself. Anyways, thank you all so much for watching, and make sure to check out the links to sign up for these awesome project management websites in the description below. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you all next time.